Utie Oha Echi Ponkno Needs FM.
Andrea and Apia Benson, a press conference in Mutamja. Now to your entire fray and coalition of Africa for submission to this school. I am people for no 4% 18. On my 80 as you say, the company no send you now and go for a guinea, was a company national na Antissa. Nkrofo fresh company no say company e Ponzi na person fresh customers ni say customers na mo de o tik to hono e greedy me ndra mo media fo enya akonya busa answer na ema ono nso ayi ano ema dana man eni obi bia ti azie say adwuma na oye no na adwumatene ne entenura ensampi ana odi abetiga na osama yeti ase pia no ni enti a wontumi ntia ye no ni sika asem no aban ede ninsa eto ni account so na personal account and a main good company ninsa account and an asset na so ente empo ni sika mpo a ewo Dubai wa ko re ni case so twisa scan busa account ni mu no ontini nya ho akwenya nti de ade ma abenu se abenu nyi emwo no especially ato denra na omunyi omunta every na account ni so na ontini enye den entry ayen customers nti sampi anandra odi atwiga.
And some of the two, Jano, Momusomusen.
Maybe and what I said, yeah, men go customers, no, I said that. But a man of Quenya, na, on to make a numerous na yentino. Zinura, yeah, and it's up. I said that, I know that because Nina, yeah, she said, and right there. For 1 year, and I said, Busuma, you knew a family, I about 1 year, you know. Let me say, and Rano, our near and Casai, and Rad, or near Babetta say, the Nanka. Yeah, need us so, and he said, about them who say, Yasikano, I at Tradu. And now, and let's say, and answer Busumu say, ana oba start atia yesika amaye benra no I say me kasa mo no ankoba ni sa na me ka tro say nra yen customers no anye ye de because ye no o hwe amania ye fam no ani o hawo emokra ni enkrofo be ye 23 every mu anra me twi na agency so na no kan no they say and then no still nonka and yenya this from Kobi at the same time ebi anaya hu say ne ananse na otwa ebari ananse busi wi ya me nsa beka yesika but enu amomo frey no I say challenges wa from ananse challenges a we abelo ewo emmo nanura odi akọ tuja amaye hu. But the young customers know now specific for this long overdue time. Another year about Abekasa at customers the banker were preparing the whole and homework now. Ama bibia si pepe and an can draw need a board room come. Now what Friday now over throwing challenges out also from we and the same challenge, so you're from why you be proud from Monkai. In the first year, the only thing and no kaya, Amasiano, Ama, Ganya, Basai, Ababia free when it say, well, my own say, personal, now I teach them and I say, abandoning up to the account in the asset, so. And now you need to do Benra ma emu say no ono angasa dia betu dwa say ampara betu de misa atuni aso ene the assets so and say ya no wa true challenge e dey ama aban and emra o ka no say ya enya no kra ye be expect say ya no kra enya no kra ye be yensi customers no ye be sre say adro na ni mu ya na on be den on me enyi ano na ye hu na na pia men sanra odi ati jano say eya no kra enya no kra na say ya no kra nso a mo aben na aben no eye say ni mu ya no na pia men sa besa ni sa besa na account na obey den obey customers no na your customers no na say ye press conference bi ye say in some na ye di to aben anim ye di sabe na ye di aben anim no eno apepepe na enura na pia sabe kan ye press conference ye petition attorney general NCID office any aben etachiro on say yes sir amwabi a betumi abula na pia mensa na mi sika wo Dubai no mi sabe kata sika no na account bi a wa ha no sika bia na ewo mu no emfa nhihye papa bi nto ho na sa mi sika no ye abanu mu ana nka yen kreti yen committee no extra party committee na pia mensa any the men's goals ebe wom na abenu nso be wom na yen customers nso ye be wom na sa committee no ye nyina ya tenase na ye dia no babae na ya hye ekwan bia me be share papa bia ye enyim men's go customers no bia anya ni sa papa na nura also ede bae se abenya no moa na ne account bia no ene sika bia no Dubai no abenya no moa na sika no entimi mraga na ontimi nchai nti we di ase encha da nye asema asema eye asamfoforo bia because we ensama ye di kan e di ato abenya ni mu deda ena ono nso abefo anti wa befo afi di e si an yesu mo ne say was show interest so obetia yen na was show interest so obetia yen de saa na yen nyina ye pe nti sisi anso aben so ni aben ye ni nyina no ye ni se oye e dia sisi ye men's gold customers no yen sabeka ye sika nti yen ye da so esrese anka abeboa aben no ndimimi ya committee na yeso efre no on se sa on ma young customers and a men's gold and not men's men's gold any young chia nanka young share na committee no and putting na independent accounts an independent account then a very Africa now and some men's gold and answer number one na pia men's personal account na se akwenya to ta na abeno ntimi moye na anka onye hye papa tonye no no angasa asati se opese nyina yenya esika no na nka hye no yenyina yebedi so as a committee na at the end of the day no yen customers no yen sabeka yesika eno ni asema asisi ano ye hye se abeno what true challenge sisi ade ama abeno abeno so nyamwa na wo mremu na ehye papa emremu ni ya na by the end of this month no we dey na ke mesre enka anbia no na ya tmia hu ene anata say na men's goods for customers for omusa beka omusika.
All right. Ansana na napia mensa nra one sentrofo ebabedi nhyiemo no de nanu disem ediatu dwa no na one madi nkomo bi asiana
pesa so ni edi nkobi esia na
ansa na enra oba betu na numutuo edi akire Ghana fo no na mwahia enya nkutawudie bi edi asi ansa na enra oba bekasa
minu ya bemba se obi bia ti ni a dabi ye ne na pia mensa enhia obi bia se ebi ayegbobu bebi ho ye kiro request thank you pese abani mu maye kwan mra na owo police for ensammo no nanka ye ne na pia mensa ahia asat na our request no emuaye bia amfri attorney general ananse police asuye amma ena so ye need to me say ye dey pe eni na pia mensa be hia emra na owo abai ensam ananse owo police for ensam nti sa ko ya no yanya eni na apia mensa na bushia ni bia ananse ono na pia mensa nkasa ananse ebia men's gold management mpo ye ne omo anya yanya sa ko nya no kra ni omo anhia debida.
Okay. Now, waba bechirema ye challenges said ya wa we describe it say how akodo a all fem na waba beka edi atudwa no. Itina je said ya na mo hwe animu se na kamo pe timelines a or the betua musika no edi amamo no sa amade a na je se mokasa anyamo de na je se no enyina so hye de anim sa anyamo de because wa kiro hawo a ewo ko de enti a wantimi anya specific.
Good. Na me kira we yen before then no na yen expectation ewo. The expectation na nra ye expect anansi ye hwehwe animu no amani ta. Ntina no na apia mensa ni aben ani customers or how na ewu na enyina yenu deda. Yenim say at the end of the day no yensan kayesika adenti na yensan kayesika. Yenim say offer or how enti na yensan kayesika. Nti before oni yembeba be kasa no na ye expect say kasa how no wetina di ho akwanya wetina di wedwuma amanka efirum ananse how no na free ho ansana na because yemen customers for 1 year na maybe can chire wono how are from me brother amani are from
okay
and it must ebi ewuwu and na dream to say in for 23 emma no angasa emma yes it's a very 1 minute silent for them okay that's how we na from na amreya wabe drew Ghana no for almost getting to 1 year you know na your expectation run say that ben achina between year yen sabe sikanti anko ba ni sa no na make sure enye yede.
Okay, good. It's a member
ma oba tie no sebi adin papa wu okay wa be kire but send na ye hia anya no ekwa mi so no anya ye.
Etina che say you will suggest say na ka sesa ko twentwen so na ko ultimate class eno ama na nsana na ka enra do be ye no na ka wayon sana na ka muzusu de etie.
Or to cancel and so wayen because it's long overdue for about 1 year and into 1 year no would to be am ye all nipa abram even 6 months to 2 months and for what needed to talk the ye into for about 1 year and no and America ye can sa and yes sir ebi a won sanction or tell or better ko si da ben if you say yeah, 37 for 1 year, no, there should have been some, your friend is saying, actions or me at Beno and Baba, no.
All right.
As you know, now young customers, no, by now, no, fair, you're starting a sika. Fair, you start because it's
Utie Oha Extra Punk no Needs FM.